Hello guys, how are you? I hope every friend well. I'm well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will discuss best friend. Let's start. I would like to say something about my best friend. Friendship is a very important part of our life. We all need friends to share things. A good friend is a blessing. Friendship is a vital factor in human life. Life without friends is unthinkable. We can discuss almost anything without friends. I have many friends, and among them, Romim is my best friend. We have known each other from our childhood. We became friends from the time we were a childhood. We used to live in the same neighborhood and played different sports together. Also, we attended same high school and to college together. My best friend has a many good qualities. Among his qualities on I like most is that because he is always honest with me on any matter. He always gives honest advice. We also share many same type of interest on subject. We become a friends from our childhood. We can also depend on each other. Thanks for having patience. Please enjoy my video. I try to mix various topics